So this is part 3 and then the fun stuff happens. This is me trying to wrap it. The colour is just phenomenal. It's hard to see in this light, but when the sun hits it, the sparkle is just incredible. So yeah, basically this will just be a time lapse of me trying to wrap this with the help of my dad. In fact, I've done a panel outside. I'll show you this one in the sun. Yeah, when I said fun stuff starting, wrapping's quite hard. It's not too bad actually, but you can see nearly there. Started trimming around the edges. There's a fair bit of stretch in this. There's at least 2 inch here, and there was at least that short which had to be stretched as well. But there's no other option. That's the only size I could get it in. But it's starting to look pretty good, to be fair. Not too shabby. Yeah. So I think that is that for today. Well, I'll trim all this and finish up, and then start on the sills, boot, etc. and the rest. So along with the wrapping, I'm also spray painting the wing mirrors in Audi colour instead of BMW. Yeah, so I'm also spray painting as well as wrapping, and I did these in an Audi colour, believe it or not, Mythos Black, which has got a wee sparkle to it. Yeah, they're pretty good. Turned out pretty well. It's just rattle can. Yep. So put all the electrics back in, get it all working. I don't know if you can see the sparkle in it or not. Probably not. But it's a nice colour. Mythos Black Audi. And it's an Audi colour. So we started doing the wrapping, red colour, which is quite nice, on the bonnet as well. However, I have changed my mind on the colour. I'm going to go with this really nice grey colour now, which I was originally going to go with. My dad thinks I'm a nutter, but I'm going for it. So we'll see how that goes. And if you become an expert rapper. This first bit with the new colour on, which is a gloss grey, or a medium gloss grey. You can just see it's taking the metallic off. Oh yeah, I definitely like the grey. I think it will just really lift the car, and then with the black carbon fibre highlights, black roof, yeah, definitely. This is a temp 3. Get it this time. Expert rapper. Right, I'll go for it this time. Right. Can you get that?
Yeah,
I'll meet you.
bite my fingers.
I'll meet you. I'll meet you.
Oh, got it. Oh.
Yeah, try and crank it now because it's coming off. Yeah, I'll try it, just do.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
Smoking down, that's
So
right.
we look at that. So, this is the right way we're doing it, eh?
You need to come round. You turn it round to you.
Right. So,
There's a problem. Should I let it all reach that way?
right, walk round.
And you can't walk straight.
Just no, you come round that way. Yeah, let me just put it on the bonnet.
Walk round the back. Walk round the way.
No, what this is very well.
No, you didn't. Why don't you just take the bonnet, come across and lay it down and then unfold it and take it back off again.
lay this down.
Aye.
Right, lay it down.
You get this side, I'll get the other side. You got it?
Alright.
Oh, where are you going? Thought you wanted to go to that
I
side.
thought you were just going to walk by me. Going to... Yes, I want it that way, don't I?
What way?
Has to be that way. You
No,
have to...
that's it. You're doing it short ways this time. Long ways across the way.
Ah, yeah. That's right, that's right.
You go to you, whatever you
Hey,
need.
come to me.
I mean, you're just doing a wee overlap.
Yeah. Right, pull it tight. Tight as you can. Right, you need to blow it out a wee bit. Right. Right, pull it tight. Right, down. Right. Pull it tight, please. It's alright, that's fine. Don't worry about that. Right, pull it tight.
You got enough?
Right, you need to go up that way. Right, pull it tight. Right, towards me a wee bit. Right, tight.
Pull it tight.
Right, tighten down.
Alright, bags are in here.
So we're about an inch at the bottom.
Surely you can get that wee bit. If you went down further.
I don't know.
I mean, it's, you're not having to stretch it so much there then.
No.
And you've only really got this.
You know what? I'll leave it at
The
that.
centre bit here.
Leave
Kinda.
it at that. Leave it at that. Try that.
Yeah, I'll keep it around you.
Try it this time. So that's the chrome bits for the kidney grills, carbon fibre wrapped. While this is unassembled, I'll just show you how I got them off. I watched various people on YouTube trying to get these off. Some people could just get their fingers in and do it, but these ones definitely you couldn't get your fingers. So I used 2 screwdrivers and on these kind of wing tips, if you can see these here, and the inside of the bonnet, I'll flick to a clip after this. I pushed 2 screwdrivers in like that, which lowered them, and then on the outside, on the bonnet, I put some masking tape around the bonnet and then slipped a screwdriver underneath and just waggled it through. As soon as you get one and the second one done, you can waggle them out. That once you know how to do it, I mean it's seconds, but I mean I spent a good hour just trying to work out how to get these out. It's crazy. Anyway, that's my wee tip. And then assembling them back together, these just slide in, clip in. Well, I hope they do. There's another view of those wings that you see. Yep. So that's your assembled kidney grill. which will go back on the car. No bad. So that is it for part 3. Didn't get as far as I wanted in this one. I wanted to get that bonnet wrapped, but that's the 3rd attempt and it still is not finished. Next video will definitely be finished. However, got all the panels done, sills, handles back on, mirror, all door cards are back in. You can see over there as well, door cards are all back in, back panel, boot is all assembled again. Yeah, and I've still got the rear bumper to do. Bumper and front bumper are on as well, so it's starting to look more like a car. Next video you'll see the wheels, they've all arrived, and I've done all the brakes assemblies, etc. Yeah, everything's brand new in there, new control arms. Same this side, everything's back together. Spray painted wing mirrors. Audi Mythos Black. Yes, I did say Audi. Yeah, so now next video will be finish the bonnet. We'll get the back bumper and front bumper finished, wheels on, and I'm just about to take out the centre console because I want to put a carbon fibre wrap on this, and I think maybe to here as well, just that panel there, carbon fibre, because the seats go in. That should be alright. Oh, they should say like, subscribe if you haven't already, and smash the like button. Anyway, aye, catch you in the next one.